How to poke someone on Facebook. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial we're showing you how to poke someone on Facebook. A poke on Facebook is a casual way to get someone's attention or acknowledge them. It's a leftover feature from the early days of Facebook, since Facebook hid it a bit. So to poke someone on Facebook, first open the Facebook app on your phone. In the top right corner, you'll see a little search bar icon. Tap on it. In the search bar, type in pokes. You'll see the option Poke Your Friends and See Who Has Poked You pop up in the search results. Tap on it to open your pokes page. This page will show you two things: friends who poked you already and suggested friends to poke. If someone poked you, you can poke them back by simply tapping the Poke Back button next to their name. To poke someone new, use the search bar at the top of the pokes page. Type in their name and tap the Poke button next to their profile. Poking is a light-hearted way to say hello to your friends on Facebook. It's a quick way to show someone you're thinking of them. And this is how to poke someone on Facebook. If you have any questions about poking someone on Facebook, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. I'll do my best to help. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel.